Sausage and cabbage soup is a healthy, hearty, and nourishing soup that's super easy to prepare. You have some savory sausage combined with tender cabbage and potatoes, finished off with a scoop of rice, and it is so satisfying. So my son and I actually had the flu a couple weeks ago, which was so horrible. Anyways, we're so glad to be over that. It's flu season. Hope you guys don't get it. You don't ever want it. But anyways, this recipe was the only thing that we could bear to eat. There's something about chicken broth combined with rice that just soothes the soul when everything else does not sound appetizing. Anyways, let's get started. This really is a fuss-free recipe. We're not working with anything raw. The sausage is already cooked. So yes, this is a super easy recipe to prepare. I am using 1 pound of sausage. This is an organic chicken and apple sausage that I picked up from Costco. This is what I usually have on hand. I just store it in the freezer and defrost it. But you can use whatever sausage that you like. Just keep in mind that the soup is going to pick up the flavor of your sausage. So since this sausage does contain some apple in it, the broth will pick up a little bit of that sweet flavor. So just keep that in mind. But any like smoked sausage would work. All right, now that we have the sausage all sliced up, I'm going to grab the rest of the ingredients that we're going to be needing for the recipe. Every soup that I make usually starts off with some garlic and onions. So here I have 1 diced onion. I have 4 minced garlic cloves. I have 1 carton of chicken broth. We're gonna use this entire carton. This is about 4 cups. I have 2 potatoes, 2 russet potatoes, large ones, that I went ahead and peeled, and then they're soaking in water because I didn't want them to get brown on me. And then I just sliced them into half moons. And then we have 1 entire head of cabbage that I chopped up. It may look like a lot, but it's definitely going to shrink down in the soup. And I just love adding cabbage to soups because it's nourishing, it has vitamin C, some fiber, antioxidants, and it's one of the veggies that my son actually really likes. Also, I have some cooked rice in my rice cooker that we're going to serve with the soup after. If you guys wanted to add more protein and more fiber to this soup, you could also add a couple cans of white beans that would also go well with this recipe. Anyways, we are ready to get cooking. Let's head over to the stove. I've got my pot heated over medium heat. I'm going to add some oil, and in goes the diced onions as well as the minced garlic. Going to add a little salt, and then I'll cook this until the veggies are softened, about 2 minutes. Veggies are looking nice and softened. Let's go in with the sausages. I'm going to continue to saute everything for another 3 minutes. That was 3 minutes. Time to add in the chicken broth, the whole entire carton. Going in with our potatoes, and in increments, all of the cabbage. This is a lot of cabbage, so it's not gonna fit all at once. I'm gonna turn up the heat actually so the soup comes to a boil, but I'm going to go ahead and mix that in, and then I'll add the rest. All right, so I did add all of the cabbage, and it's continuing to wilt down as I mix. And off the camera, I did also add some salt, and now I'm going to add some fresh cracked pepper. This really is a simple soup. I'm not really adding too much seasonings. I think the flavor from the sausage and the chicken broth and garlic and onions really flavors up the soup. But feel free to add any kind of seasonings that you desire. Okay, so now that it has come to a boil, I'm going to lower the heat to medium-low, and then I'm going to cover it and cook it until the potatoes and the cabbage is nice and tender. This will take about 20 minutes over medium-low. We'll see you in 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Oh, it is looking so good. The cabbage and potatoes are nice and tender. And I'm gonna go ahead and just taste it for seasonings. Perfect. Just going to add a little bit more of some fresh cracked pepper. I've also removed it from heat, and we are ready to serve this up, guys. All we're missing now is a little bit of rice. I went ahead and ladled some into a bowl here and added a scoop of rice. But there you have it, you guys. Sausage and cabbage soup. What I do love about this soup is that it's a complete meal all in one. You have your protein from the sausage, you have your veggies from the cabbage, will give you lots of vitamins. You have your carbs from the rice and the potatoes, which will provide you some energy. My son is actually going to eat this before practice, so he'll be nice and fueled up. Yes, so it's a healthy, nourishing soup that was super easy to prepare. Okay, let's go in with the taste test. These are actually big chunks of sausage. You could slice them up into half moons if you wanted smaller pieces. I'm going to half it. Okay, so let's dig in. Cheers, you guys. The soup, like I mentioned, picked up the flavors from the apple chicken sausage. It's so delicious, and the cabbage is nice and tender, and I don't know, just rice with broth, it's just so good. It is lunchtime, so I am going to have this for lunch. Anyways, thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys make this recipe. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That will definitely help me out. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.